All right, so welcome back to the Whitehouse farm. So we got another attachment today. This is the Landpride. This is the FDR1660. This is a 60-inch Finish Mower. And as you can tell, we need it right now. We need to start cutting some grass. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go through this. We're going to go ahead and check and inspect everything, get it all greased up, and we're actually going to sharpen up the blades, check the gear oil, make sure she's all set to go, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to start mowing. So let's go ahead and get the blades off this thing, get them sharpened, and get moving. Alright, let's go ahead and get those blades off and get them sharpened. And that's going to be 3/4 inch for these. Alright, so we got all 3 blades off. All the blades actually look pretty good. They're just rusty, just from sitting. So we'll go ahead and sharpen these up. Sharpen up this edge here, and this edge right here. Alright, while you're sharpening these, you just want to follow the direction that it's at. You don't want to bend it down. You want to stay right where it's at and just smooth this right out. Looks probably like a 30-degree. Alright, so that's 1 done, 2 to go. All right, so we got all 3 blades all sharpened up now. Let's go ahead, lift this, and get them back on there. All right, so now we got the blade sharpened. Let's go ahead and grease this sucker up. All right, so now we got all the wheels and the tops here and these 3 points. Let's go ahead and get the shaft. All right, let's go ahead and pull the shaft. And we want to put some grease here. Grease on the shaft here. All right, and then reconnect this. And then we'll get these parts here on each side. Okay, so now we got the shaft grease, we got both ends grease, we got the rest of this all greased up. Let's go ahead and check the gearbox oil and see if we need to top off. Also, just to see what it looks like, we might need to change it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, let's go ahead and check the gear oil now. It's coming out and it's clear. It actually looks really good, so we're gonna leave that alone for now. Okay, the former owner did say he only used it for a couple of years, and he obviously took really good care of it. So just seeing the gear oil nice and clear like that, that's a good indication that he did take care of it and wasn't beating it. Otherwise you'd have like a darker, you might even have metal flakes in your gear oil, but that was coming out nice and clear, so I just put the cap back on. All right, so now that we got everything all lubed up and checked the gear oil, made sure nothing's seized up on here, we sharpened the blades, let's go ahead, hook up to the tractor, and let's give her first test drive. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so this Finish Mower is definitely a game changer. Takes me a fraction of the time that it would take me with my other lawn tractor. So I'm definitely glad I got this, and I'd like to thank Doug, the guy I bought it off of. Thank you. It's awesome. So hope you guys like, enjoy, subscribe, and what, Jamie?
Ring that notification bell.
And we'll see you on the next one. Bye. You can't say goodbye without saying goodbye to me. All right, Olaf. We'll see you on the next one. All right. Bye, Obo. Bye, guys.